Yo, what's up, summer people? This Jay again, guys. Today is another day where we're waiting for CPI at the same time with initial jobless crime. So today, guys, we want to talk about gold. We want to talk about gold. Gold is fooling us, but I'm not gonna give it a chance. So, before we go far, we're going to talk about three time frames, which is 4 hours and 1 hour and 15-minute time frame, so we can see where exactly our gold is heading off. So this is 4 hours time frame. Just check it nicely, check it clearly. If you can see how it looks like, it looks beautiful. You can see an uptrend trend line is been broken. And also we have this beautiful strong resistance, and we have previous resistance, which is uh, what was confusing people. And also we have a downtrend trend line, which is clear and clean. So now, as you can see, just check what's going on here. Market, it looks like, is fooling us. We can just call this a pullback of retesting this previous level. But on another side, you can clearly see that there was a previous that was a supporter from there. So the strongest supporter was here, as you can see where it goes away from. So now what we're going to look into is this thing of thinking like God can change a direction in anytime soon. I'm saying no, it's not gonna change direction. I'm saying that whatever it's doing is it will go down. I don't know when, but direction still the same. So let's just go to 1 hour just to make our things clear, to just see what we're gonna do today, because today we are waiting for this big event, and you know that market doesn't play with us when it comes to this news issue. It doesn't give us a chance. So now what I'm going to show you is up to you and to understand this or to take this as the way I am saying this. So I'm drawing this from this side. That I could draw this trend line from down there, but the thing, I want this thing to be bigger so everyone can see what I am talking about. So consider that we have a stronger resistance. Why I am saying that this is stronger resistance, I will just go into details. You can clearly see when the market was going up, it just created this supporter. Don't mind this side before it come down, before it just come and break here. This was considered as a stronger supporter. So it pushed up, and also uptrend trend line was following up. Once it reached here, it changed direction. It created dark cloud candlestick, which was a good sign for traders who trade these patterns and candlestick mostly. So now when it get pushed down by dark cloud candlestick. It goes down, and when it tried to just go back, it just gives us another dark cloud, which was a good sign for us who was waiting market to change direction. So when we went down a little bit, when we end up before it come down, always you can see that bearish cross that is follows the crowd. This is a strong sign. So bearish cross pushed market down. And we thought maybe it's going down for good, but it went back down to just retest for previous small zone. So now once it's finished up there, it goes down, and we thought maybe it's going to break down and go, but it didn't. It just goes back because this previous supporter was so strong. Market went up again. After finishing going up, now here is where we find bearish engulfing. So bearish engulfing was here to confirm the previous candlestick that you was watching there. So here now market push down, push down, push down, and acted as if it's breaking our trend line, right? But our trend line wasn't broken completely because after attempting to break it and it went up immediately. So here is where our story get interesting. You can see what market created here, and you can see what pushed the market down here. Exactly was the same candlestick that it started with there, which is dark cloud, right? So now from there, market push down. The sellers push down market. They push it down, push it down. When it comes to this side, you can see the last candlestick we had before market break. What was the previous supporter was another bearish engulfing. So this 1 hour time frame. Let's change from here and go to 15 minutes. That's when I am telling you that today, God is going to play with our mind, but not all of us, not all of us. Some of us are going to play with God. We're not gonna give God a chance. We will have to play with God, no matter what. So now look, here's our 15-minute time frame, right? I just try to make my chart bigger so everyone can see it. So when we go to 15-minute time frame, we are starting by this trend line. To clearly show you that this trend line is being broken completely. So now it is everyone's time to look what I am talking about. Or is your time also to just go to comment section and try to show us something we can follow up because still early. So now here it is where our strong resistance is. And here is where we were waiting for our market to break, which is what have happened. And now here is our beautiful downtrend trend line that will confirm that our hold is still going up. So now I want you to just put your eyes on this strong resistance, which was support before it get broken. Just put your eyes there and see how gold is going to play with our mind. After gold breaking down here, it just tried, we thought maybe it's going to go down and maybe do a retest and go for good, but it didn't do that. Why gold didn't do that? That's a question everyone must ask himself. It went down instead of keeping going down. It just settled a weak supporter. This is a weak supporter. I'm telling you it's a weak supporter because before it goes down, there is a lot here that happened. If I go into details of this candlestick again, either way, they look the same thing, the same candlestick that I was explaining from 1 hour and 4 hours. But let's check into this particular party that we have here. When it settled this this week is not, it's not stronger. The strongest resistance is this. It was strongest supporter to break, but since it's got broken and it's been retested, as you can see several times, it becomes strongest than this supporter you're seeing here. So now here's the thing. Let me delete this because we cannot see now what we want to check about, right? We cannot see what we want to see about. Let me just draw this like this so we can understand this. This is where we are. If you will check, then the candlestick that are keeping pushing this market down, you will understand that we still have a stronger downtrend. And then once you come here, what only we have to believe in, it was here that we have bullish engulfing, right? But when market goes up, remember we have this. If you can see it, this is bearish haram, right? So after bearish haram, you can see it try to push market down a little bit, and then it went up again, where we have again dark clouds. So count for me how many dark clouds that we have under downtrend resistance. And then remember, as I told you, if you will just check, let me start from here. If you will just check, we are under this, just check, an uptrend trend line is been broken. So I don't want to draw a trend line from down there because I want screen to be bigger so everyone can see it, right? So now if we have this as broken supporter and retested and become a stronger resistance, and it's been retested so many times, and now it's still getting pushed down by stronger candlesticks like dark clouds, a bearish cross, bearish haram, and also we still under downtrend resistance. What do you think is going to happen? Do you think gold is going to have the power to break all of this and break this resistance and come to retest it and go just like that? I am not sure. It may happen always, that manipulation happens. It may happen. I'm not a controller of markets, but what I'm seeing is a downtrend opportunity. You may just go and do your analysis. What I'm going to do myself is to just check here. Let me show you what I'm going to do. I'm just going to check these numbers, right? And start to set. I will just start by setting sell stop, right? Then after saying after setting sell stop, I will just wait for the market to break there. So once market will break there, then I will be already in. This is 2604,426. So I'm going to start by selling stop, right? My guys, just trust me. I'm going to do this. No matter what, I know that if market reached my level, then I will be in. If market doesn't reach my level, then I have nothing to lose. I have nothing to lose completely. 04,630, right? And then I will use as much as 21, no, 11. Let me change, yeah. And then from there, I will wait for market to break down. There, if it breaks down, then I will know that I'm in. If it doesn't break down, it happens. I'm not the controller. It will just go wherever it want to go. But my prediction is downtrend. I'm going to set all of this and set my take profits and set also my stop losses. And then I let market do whatever it wants. If it goes wrong, it will hit me. No, if it goes wrong side, according to me, then it won't affect my account because my level of selling is not gonna be triggered. But if it goes in my right side, then I will be in. That's how I will make money by avoiding of entering my trade right now by selling or buying. So I'm going just to say sell stop. So my people, just do your analysis and then you will just tell me what you think right now or after you see market direction. Sharp. Enjoy your day, guys. Jay loves you all.